Hello, my name is Shayna, and I am a program coordinator of nutrition at the Crim Fitness Foundation. Today's Food Navigator video is a healthy recipe from Michigan Harvest of the Month called Ranch Corn Salad. When purchasing fresh corn, look for green husks and ears that are covered with plump, shiny kernels. Avoid silks that show signs of rot or decay. When buying canned corn, look for low sodium varieties. You could also keep a bag of frozen corn in the freezer for last minute meal ideas. Add fresh, frozen, or canned corn to your favorite recipes like salads, casseroles, or soups. Let's see how we make ranch corn salad. To make ranch corn salad, you will need either 2 cups of fresh corn, 2 cups of canned corn drained, or 2 cups of frozen corn thawed, 3/4 of a cup fresh tomatoes chopped, half a cup of green pepper chopped, half a cup of celery chopped, 1/4 cup of onion chopped, 1/4 cup of fat-free ranch dressing, and 5 cups of mixed greens chopped. You can begin by taking your washed tomato and a knife and chopping 3/4 of a cup of tomatoes. Take a knife and cut your washed green pepper in half, remove the seeds, and chop half a cup of green peppers. Take a knife and cut off the ends of the celery and chop a half cup of celery. Take a knife and cut your onion in half, then cut off the ends of the onion to remove the skin and chop 1/4 cup of onion. Take your washed mixed greens and a knife and chop 5 cups of greens. Take a can opener and open the can of corn. Remember, you can also use fresh corn or frozen corn that is thawed. If you are using canned corn, be sure to strain and rinse the corn. When finished chopping the vegetables, take a large bowl and add 2 cups of fresh, canned, or frozen corn, 3/4 of a cup of fresh tomatoes, half a cup of green peppers, half a cup of celery, and 1/4 cup of onion. Mix together. After mixing the vegetables, add 1/4 cup of fat-free ranch dressing and mix again. When you are finished preparing your ranch corn salad, add mixture on top of chopped mixed greens. Serve up and enjoy. Be sure to check out the Flint Farmers Market to find fresh and locally sourced ingredients for this recipe and more.